A photo. That's Songhwa.
Shrek?
No, it's a Disney character.
Yeah, Shrek. Character name is Shrek.
No. It's from Monsters Inc.
Ah. One more time? You know Shrek?
Yeah, I know Shrek. Shrek is love, Shrek is life.
Plus I got this brand in me. Kelly dancing on me. So she smelled the green on me. She straight from California. Freaky, yeah, she wanna. Tell me she like boys and girls. Oh well, that's okay for me.
Teeny weeny, shriveled little short dick man. Don't want.
Seungmin, best boy. Thank you. Best boy. Seungmin, why is your name Seungmin? My parents gave it to me. Stop. Oh, hug please.
Bitch, tell me why I was minding my business today, yeah, eating my chicken. And then this girl comes up to me and she's crying and she says this. My rooster just died. And I'm like, oh, I'm sorry for your loss. And then she's like, you're really gonna eat that chicken in my face after I told you my rooster died? I'm like, bitch, am I supposed to sit here and starve? And y'all know I'm so fucking petty, so I'm like, your rooster tastes good, bitch. May his soul rest in peace in my belly.
Yee, skirt, yee, skirt, roll up, yee, drop that, yee, skirt that, yee, pop that, yee, hey.
If you like the way I talk, then why am I on your mind? If you
Lee don't know. Lee still don't know. No one. Every K-pop singer. The two types of relationships. Hyunjin, what the fuck? Cake? When your family asks you to go out. No. When you can't pronounce your R's properly. 3. Watcha. Jonghyun and Felix's hair throughout the dance practice. Send hope. Not The Rock.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta. Esta noche al amanecer hemos llamado al antiguo poder.
What kind of milk is this? Oh, it's not milk. It's water. Milk's too expensive. We had to use water. That'll be $4.99.
How does it feel to fall from the heaven? I don't know. I fell from my bed before, that hurt. Never fell from the heavens, guys. Someone said they'll fight my bed. If you like the bed, the bed's pretty scary. Be careful. 마지막 질문. Oh, you didn't finish my sentence. Best friends finish each other's sentences. Sandwiches. You never eat my sandwich. I'm someone's mom's bias. Thank you. I like these cheese balls.
저희는 한국말로 서로 대화.
강렬한 이 느낌에 빠져버려 나를 놨어 난 단순한 게 좋아 내 속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어 이 느낌에 빠져버려 나를 놨어 난 단순한 게 좋아 내 속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어
Hey y'all, I'm here with my best friend. Best friend, show him your moves. Go. Ooh, yeah, get it, I guess. Okay, I'm next, best friend. Get the camera. Dougie, hype me up.
Go, Dougie. Oh.
Roll up, yeet, drop that, yeet, skirt that, yeet, pop that, yeet, hey, 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 hey. You never loved me, Mom, but I needed you, whoa, yeah, oh, no!
Kyler, What's up? Oh, yo, what's up, little dude? What'd you get for Christmas? I got a dog. Yo, a dog? Dude, that's sick. Can I meet him? Yes! Snowball, come here. Oh, yo, what's up, little guy? Bark. Oh! There's no way. Isn't he great? Yo, babe, you gotta come see this.
Hey, what's up?
Little dude got a dog.
Aww. Okay. What about it?
Wait for it. Woof.
It's like there's two of them.
Right, it's like Little Dude 2.0. Isn't he the best dog?
Oh yeah, you guys are perfect for each other.
Seeing how this robot bitch pronounces NCT's names. Kyle. Huh. Teo. Damn, whatever. Come on bitch, you got this. Johnny. Yeah, of course you can do that. Taeyong. What? Taeyong. Close enough. Kun. What did she say? Sigh. It's say, you uncultured swine. Doing. Doi what now? Doi young. 10. That's what I fucking thought. Jaehyun. Jaehyun. God damn it. Sicking. Sichung. Winwin. You stupid skank. Jungwoo. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Let's see if this filter can describe 2020. Starting off, this song pretty much describes coronavirus. This song describes online school. How? This song describes the Trump administration. This song describes Biden winning the election. Yes. This song describes TikTok almost getting canceled this year. Yeah, you bet we made it right. Remember when Kanye said that he was running for president? This song describes Among Us. I mean, this song describes how we're feeling about the $600 stimulus check. Yeah, we need answers. This song describes wearing face masks. Yeah, make it right. This song describes the toilet apocalypse that happened earlier this year. Lastly, this song describes how 2021 is gonna be. I hope so.
On my life, man, fuck's sake. If I did, I'd menage with him and let him eat my ass like a cupcake. My man fool, he just ate. I don't duck nobody but tape. Yeah, that was a setup.
Lucas moments I think about a lot.
Oh, you are Nana.
여러분 많이 먹어 했대. 뭐야?
My lady, my lady, my lady, come on, my lady, my lady. 일어나지 마.
아이에는 그냥 서비스로 드립니다. 이 머리를 쪽 짜면 이온음료가 탄생해요. 자, 한번 먹어보겠습니다.
먹어봐.
안 먹어.
왜?
그리고 여기 1+1으로 나오는 호주 캥거루도 있습니다. 캥거루? 저와 아주 깊은 친밀도가 있기 때문에 절대 사람을 위협하거나 때리지 않습니다. 캥거루 손! 캥거루 손! 캥거루는 힘이 좋기 때문에 손을 주는 것도 이렇게 과격하게 할 때가 있죠. 하지만 이건 친밀도의 일종입니다. 무서워하지 않으세요. 캥거루 말! 캥거루 말! 어렸을 때부터 말들과 같이 있더니 말이 이상해 보였습니다. 하지만 제가 주인이고 이 아이는 동물이라는 것에 대해서 확실하게 인식을 시켜줘야 돼요. 그래서 눈을 쳐다보고 손! 이렇게 복종관계는 형성됩니다. 이렇게 복종관계는 형성됩니다. 자, 잘 보셨죠?
This is so stupid, but this is BTS if they accidentally walked in on you changing.
Hey, Wyatt, I wanted to ask you. Oh, my bad. I am so sorry. I should have knocked. I'll just come by later when you're not. Yeah, okay, sorry. Wyatt! Oh, why'd the stylist do that to my hair? Move, you're blocking the mirror. Hey, Wyatt, have you seen my headphones? No? You're absolutely useless to me. Hey, Wyatt! I'm so sorry. I'll come back later. I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. You just keep doing you. Wyatt, I wanna ask you something, but what? Okay, okay, fine. I'll leave. Wyatt. Hey, Wyatt. I'm so I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna looking. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh.
Hi, I'm the new intern. I'm looking for the Stray Kids conference room. Oh, thanks.
자, 회의 시작합니다.
Who are you talking to?
한손! 올 때 커피 하나만 사다줘! 안 되니 아.
Can I help you?
Notices the pound, the counter, one slice is missing. Now the story's getting scary, cause he comes to realize that Bridget is allergic to cherries. Then he slowly looks up at her, and now her face is red as hell. He's breathing real hard, moving closer. She says, "Huh, you don't look so well." And then he says, "Move." She says, "No." He says, "Move." She says, "No." Bitch, move. She moves. And then he looks at the cabinet. He walks to the cabinet. Get close to the cabinet. Now he's opening the cabinet. Now pause the movie, cause what I'm about to say to y'all is so damn twisted. Not only is there a man in his cabinet, but the man is a midget. Bridget busts in the kitchen with a double barrel, saying, James, I can't let you do this. And then he looks at her and says, what? You shoot me for this fucking midget? She says, I love him. The midget says, no, Bridget. And then James points his gun, says, we all gonna die up in this kitchen. Now Bridget and James are staring each other down, slowly backing apart. Then the midget takes his inhaler out, says, this is not good for my heart. Then James says, Bridget, don't make me do this, baby, put the gun down. That's when Sylvester Antoine busts up in the house and says, you put the gun down. Ooh, Antoine and Sylvester are sniffing around, trying to figure out what's that smell, as they turn and look at each other like, what the hell?
You got me saying, how you doing? Tell me what's your name, what you saying? Feeling like you were into me.
Yeah, I'm waiting, I just want you to come on over where I'm staying.
Falling for a stranger, good gracious, I'ma even fly out of Vegas. I'm thinking maybe you be down to do it, but you don't know what I'm saying. But got me going through the roof, really don't care what we do, ayy. We can fly to the moon, I see your lips moving, but we ain't got a clue. Baby, we're two distant strangers, I know you don't speak my language, but I love the way she's talking to me. I can hear it calling from where you are, loving the way you wanna talk. Touch me, tease me, fill me up. Touch me, tease me, fill me up. Call me when it's after dark, something the way you wanna talk. Touch me, tease me, fill me up.
If you are a man, shut the fuck up.
In a world where you feel cold.
Here is Stray Kids' reaction to walking in on you changing.
Hey, do you have the, oh my god, I saw nothing? Can you forgive me? Forgive me? Hey, have you seen my cat? I got them a new, oh my god. What are you doing in my cat room? Oh. Have you seen my new rap oh my god. Oh. Ah. Hey, do you want to go play video games? I am so sorry. Hey, do you want to go make a TikTok? What in God's name are you wearing? You're not wearing that in the TikTok. Go change. I have new shoes. Come on. I saw this really cute puppy. Oh my god. Oh my god. You never saw me. This didn't happen. You see my phone? I just wanted to. Oh my god. My hair looks better. You want to come play Among Us with it?
Go daddy go, we basket gang yo ho. Go daddy go, now pass it to my bro, let's go. Basket ho, now basket ho, 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 now. Hit it with the wee, hit it with the wee, hit it with the wee.
Thank you.
It's very true.
Whoa! Whose voice was that? That was sexy. Wait, why are we laughing? Who was that?
Everybody corpse. Everybody corpse, everybody.
Hello.
Oh my fuck. Hi, corpse. What you doing tonight?
Playing Among Us.
Oh my god.
Does it?
No, but I'll get all the questions out of the way. I've never smoked anything.
Anyone's biting their lip or
What about that? What about the question? Can you whisper in my ear? Oh shit. Did y'all hear that? His voice, you know, gives you a little rumble in your booty, if you know what I mean. You know.
Oh.
Oh!
I said, skirt! I'm here, bitch! I'm here, bitch! I said, I'm here, bitch! I said, I'm here, bitch!
Bing bing bam dum dum bum bam bam bum 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 bum.
What's going on?
Ding ding.
You're trying to act cool now because there's a camera.
I'm not doing anything.
Do you think I was born 20 years ago? Because I was.
You're acting stupid.
Excuse me?
He's acting like a child. I didn't mean to hurt his feelings when I called him stupid. I thought he had already come to terms with it.
I'm not stupid.
Yeah, you are.
Shut your mouth, spinach breath.
I don't think you want to start with me.
I'll literally drag your ass like I did pre-debut.
Really? Drag? Is that what you call it?
Considering you got rug burn after.
You don't get to take credit for my rash. Hyungjin and I have been getting into a lot of arguments recently. It's always his fault.
I'm not stupid.
Yeah, you are. You caught me one time. What about all the others?
I think someone looks really good today.
Well, it's definitely not you. How are you today?
I'm good.
That's disappointing. Have you thought about not being an idol?
No, I haven't.
You might want to. I made valid points in all of these.
Hey, do you wanna go? You know what Steven's being so... Sorry. Is that seriously what you're wearing? No. Put these on. Let's go to the wardrobe. Hey! Boobs, oh my god. Sorry! Oh my god, you won't believe. Okay, so... Oh my god, you won't believe. Hey, have you seen... Hey, have you seen my jeans? Thanks. I can do this all day. Back it up, back it up. Did I hit that line? Sugar nakabon, nakabon. We are the lovesick girls. Hey, standing still. I'm standing new. La di da da di da da, la di da di da, la di da di da, la di da di da. But it's you, you're the one that I want, you, everything that I want, you. Don't run. 하루만 너와 내가 함께 할 수 있다면 하루만 너와 내가 boom, 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 boom. Hey, boom, 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 boom. Come inside now. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boom, 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 boom. When we shine bright, I'm alive in the city on ahead. It can't stop me. Oh, oh, oh.
What are you doing, Kevin? Kissing the fans, bro.
No! Stop it!
Why are y'all so obsessed with yeehaw?
I feel as useful as the pea and raspberry. When life gives you lemons and you take a great fall, don't worry, there's cheese balls.
Certified pre. 저도 보고 7 days a week.
저는 사실 봤거든.
Found in ecstasy. Don't do drugs, kids, so don't stop me now.
Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace.
Kevin, are you okay? Are we ever okay? Marry me, please? I'll have to ask my mom, sorry. I will also be teaching you English today. You can eat quieter, please, students, or else I will whack you with this notebook.
I've been going jeans cause I'm cool with all the space. I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aiming out of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich.
K-pop idols and questionable English shirts part 4. Also, before you come at me, yes, there are ice cubes in my wine because hydrate or dihydrate. Shit. For legal reasons, we'll assume it means Dr. Pepper. Why did every 8th grade boy in 2005 have this shirt? You knew what it said. You knew it said heroin. Shit. Boner. Do you see it? Do you see it? If not, the pocket just says come. Daddy's cold. This was definitely before it was cool to say daddy again. I know we've already done this one, but I felt like we needed a better view of his subcolor.
you guys be there for me if I was going through something?
No. Nope. Absolutely not.
I hope it sucks whatever you're going through.
I hope it sucks.
What the fuck?
I hope it emotionally scars you for the rest of your life.
I hope you reach out to me so I can ignore you. I can't wait to go to your funeral knowing that I could have changed that outcome.
Man, what the hell?
Shit got real quick.
I was just asking if you would be there for me.
Ooh, Roxy. Roxy, you can pray, girl. Girl. Who in the hell put the muffins in the freezer?
I did. What you gonna do about it? Nothing.
It's a hand sanitizer. Can your K-pop boy blow candles? Mine can't. Lino in that ghost costume. There are 2 types of stays. 1, who have a crush on Changbin. 2, who don't know that they have a crush on Changbin. Chan is pale white. He sucks up blood. I know what he is. Say it. Damn bot. Jongin versus Jisung. Chan, I love you, but Chan's back, but make it a door. Did it work?
Alright, more meme. Yoongi stomping into the room. I hate everything. Jimin, Yoongi, I went to a Suga lookalike contest and I lost to Woozy. Trauma, bitch. Please leave. Wait, look at him. Look at him. I have no words. Oh my god. Me trying to avoid social contact during a family gathering. Don't talk to me or my son ever again. Beautiful, perfect, flawless, fabulous. The fuck? Be there or be squared. Oh my god. When 17 tried to sell Soonyoung, the loudest sounds on earth, concert speakers, fireworks, gunfire, blue well, space shuttle. Jeez. DXD really scared JK to the point where he gotta wear some height.
Respect everyone and their fetishes. Whatever you gotta do, you do it. Hard on me, senpai. Am I lost, baby boy? Yeah, I'm lost.
For you, I'ma let you hit it for free.
Top or bottom? Top. Do I prefer daddy or poppy? I like both. Hey, happy birthday. Here's some cake. You have some of this cake. Boobs? I don't know what boobs are. All I know are titties. I'm not horny. My love for you is like diarrhea. I just can't hold it in.
Oh my god, you're so tall. You look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean. A baked bean! Baked bean that! Baked bean that!
I saw someone do this with BTS, but this is how I think Stray Kids would react walking in on you changing.
Oh my god, I didn't see anything, I promise. Hey, do you want— oh, whoops. Oh, right, sorry. Boobs! Oh, you are just so beautiful! Oh my god, please tell me what you're changing. I don't care. Have you listened to Day6's new album yet? Can I change now? The memes won't stop. These subs, I can't breathe. Chocolate cheeks. Chocolate chicken wings. Is this Flamengi? No. Hobie water. Oh my god, wait, at the bottom, no Hobies, Richard.
God. Coming out of your room at 6 a.m. after an entire night of watching K-pop videos, like, freaking love it. Let me introduce you to JYP family. No. It's so wrong, but it's so right. I can love the names. 1004 Angel. Woozy. Vitamin D carrier. My personal favorite. Beyonce. You like jazz?
Not a race to the end. Well, you look like yourself, but you're somebody else.
7-7.
Oh! 형 왜 썼어 아깝게?
It's Uno!
4.
Pick up! 8! 5!
What's up, everyone? I'm Jackson Wen from China. I'm dropping my Ripple Tingle. Please kiss me, princess.
Ice cream!
I'm not saying that I'm hot.
Why don't you give me time? Chop chop, 4 o'clock, time for tea.
This style, this swagger.
Tips for cooling down? Water! Yes, water!
Is this camera too close? As you can see my port. Listen to the mama. I'm like, what's wrong with this guy? I'm here, health.
Sale's not for sale.
What did you eat to become so hot? So I was like, rice.
Let's finish this right now. I'm done. Getting lifted.
That's basically it, and you just gotta touch, you know? It's just, we're touching each other. It's all about interaction. We gotta be social. We're just touching, you know? We're just touching.
your interview.
The main concept of NCT is to be...
Drink some water, Lauren.
You're fine. But, I mean, the main... Sorry. We're the foreign swaggers. Do you know the song? Party on the city where the heat is on. Welcome to Miami. I'm sorry, okay. You guys know the song, Party in the city where the heat is on. Yeah. Welcome to my... Oh, yeah. Hello. Hi. We are at the tram stop. Are you the tram that stops? Look at how tall that is. It's so high, it's like my grades.
Go down and down.
Shy, not shy, not me. Not shy, not shy, not me. Give me da 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 da.
Oh my God, is this who we are? Is this what we represent? Telling somebody to kiss it, lick it, suck it, stick it.
Who's that sexy thing I see around? Ah! What the fuck? Oh my God. Sorry, no, I'm ugly.
Kulikita kating, kulikita kata, kulikita kating, kulikita kata.
아우 시원하다. 아우 나 진짜 너무 유연하다. 진짜 너무 유연해. 나 진짜.
뭐예요?
와.
Go.
Press the heart button. You know what I'm saying?
Of course, it's me.
Do you know watermelon?
Oh, I'm gonna open.
Joey, wrong answers only.
Okay.
The snack that smiles back.
Red Bull.
It's the Mickey Mouse.
Walmart.
I can show you.
The Renegade.
There's 104 days
Of eating a guava.
What?
Your legs look great in those jeans. You should see me without them. Why would you take off your legs?
Oh, you better move, you better move, you better move, you better move, you better move. Louis my shoes, pull out my whip on 20.